Hey guys, audio myself Akram from Unkickable again with another video. This video is going to be related to content creators, that is video creators. So there are many platforms for creating videos, especially YouTube is one of the platform, and there are many other platforms just like TikTok, Twitch, Mixer, and many other paid platforms just like Udemy. So over here each one has different kind of concepts, and this particular video is especially for those who need some particular green screen, as you can find in background. Suppose you are uploading videos related to education or tech reviews or even movies or visual effects, so at that moment you basically need green chroma key or any other chroma key. So it is nothing but a fabric with different color where you will not be wearing those type of colors based clothes. Over here any educator or any tutor are going to have themselves in a video, so basically they want to have the video to be like they want to show screen recording in background, and they want to say or explain about that particular program or that particular education subject by displaying themselves on the screen. So in that situation this type of green chroma key or blue chroma key is going to be useful. And the second type of people is whenever someone is reviewing any video, they can basically have their video like whatever I'm actually recording over here, but it is not going to look good, so they need to have some green screen where they can display whatever the video they want to show in background, and they can place their own video in front where they will be visible. So over here whatever the background you can find over here is going to be deleted at the time of video editing, and only the important part is going to be visible. And there are other kind of people who want to display visual effects. So these are nothing but a normal fabric you can find over here. It is actually thin and its color is not brighter when compared to a normal chroma key color. So I got it at a cheaper price, that is around 600 to 800 rupees. Maybe I have purchased in 2015 I think. So over here very first question everyone is going to get is how they are going to choose a chroma key color. So basically you can find a chroma key of different colors. You will be able to key in video editing in very easier way, because suppose assume that as I am wearing blue color shirt, that is light blue, and if I use blue chroma key and if I try to key that is if I want to change the background, then it's possible that with this particular chroma key, that is if it is blue, even my shirt will not be visible because it is lighter and that is darker blue. So you need to check out with what the color of clothing you are wearing. According to that only you need to choose a color, or you need to have multiples of colors of a chroma key that is going to be helpful for you later on. And over here the placement is one of the important part. So as you can find, if I am standing over here, you can find the shadow, and this shadow is not a good thing. For keying we need to choose a particular color. Then if we choose a color, that is if we choose this color, it is not going to take shadows in a good way. So actually we need to move away, so shadows will not be visible. That's the reason though I have moved myself to front. The second thing is related to where you are going to place these things. So basically I have drilled over here on this wall, and I used curtain rods. You can easily find these curtain rods over here. So I have placed one over here and the other over there. So basically those are the curtain based clamps which I used, and I used curtain rod over there. Basically instead of that, as lockdown has partially opened, I got Amazon Basics bathroom curtain rod, where there is no need to drill anywhere. Basically over here it is a tension rod where we just need to extend its length, and we need to push itself over here, so it is going to be standard. It is not going to go down. Here I just want to place this rod a bit higher, but I was unable to do that because I am a bit shorter for this. So the next thing you need to consider is at how much height you need this green chroma key. So as I will be using this when I am sitting, then I will be able to use it at any height. For a few of them, if they stand in this way, they need to have some top area where they will be able to key very easily, and if they are keying in this way they will not be able to do that, and they need to recreate their video again. And the next thing is basically related to lights. So basically over here I actually have the light tube light over there, that is a light, and this is the chroma key where it is actually flashing the light over here. So basically I don't need any additional lighting, and additionally you need to consider another thing is there should not be any foldings in chroma key. If we have any foldings, then also keying is going to be difficult for us. So over here, as you cannot find any shadow, I am going to edit this particular video from here itself. Very first thing what I am going to do is crop these edges. So actually if I move my hand over here, then it is not going to be useful for me to crop this particular video. If I move my hand till here itself, then it is going to be helpful for me, where I'll be able to crop my video from here and I'll be crop over there, and there is no need to crop over here because it is completely covered by green chroma key. So actually, as you can find that I have taken a crop option from there, and you can find that I am cropping right now. That is, I'm just reducing the space where you can find the difference. So over here, after that we need to copy the style or the effect, and we need to paste in other clips also. So I am doing the same. Instead of pasting individually, we can also select everything from here, and we can click on Ctrl V, that is pasting the same effect on all these clips. Before going to next step, we need to check out with all the clips whether they are having the space at correct position or not. So basically we can do this before cutting our video itself. That is going to be much easier, or if we do this later on, it is going to be somewhat time taking. So the next thing is going to be related to keying this particular color, and I'm going to do all those settings over here itself, as you can find. So the next thing is basically related to the color. So we are going to use ultra keying and drag it over here in this clip, and we need to check out with the exact color. So over here I have pointed once, and I can find that there is a lot of white background, that is gray background. So I have done this again with another location color, so we can check out how we are going to use this later on. So basically what you need to do over here is you need to check out with which color it is speaking and how much gray color you are getting. The less gray color you get in background is called the best keying. So after that we need to play with the other options, like as you can find over here. So basically whenever you make any changes over here, the whole video itself gets changed. So you need to make sure that your video is not getting saturated more. And as you can find color correction over here, if it is much essential, then you need to go with that, or else do not go with that. And over here I don't find much change by using matte generation. So I generally go with matte cleaning, that is I'm going to clean the whole background gray color, so I'll be able to replace it with some other image or video. It is not the exact settings, I'm just checking out with the right video, and I am just checking out with a gray color, which I basically need to delete it in any way possible. So after doing that, check out with the remaining clips, and then you just need to copy that particular style or that particular effect and paste it on other clips, as we have already done on cropping thing. So over here what you need to do is select the whole layer, that is the blue part, that is the video, and you need to move upward, that is on second layer, because over here you need to add something in background. So over here either you can use image or even you can use video. Actually, as I am using just image, you can use video in the same way. That is basically useful for educators, that is related to video tutorials, or even it is going to be useful in VFX. All the links for green chroma key and tension rod are in the description below. If you are willing to buy, you can use those links below. So this is how you can use a green chroma key or green screen or green fabric for your videos, where you will be able to place your video in background and yourself in foreground, and you can edit and upload it as per your requirement. So this is the video for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please smash that like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on red subscribe button to support my channel. See you next video. Have a nice day, and finally be unique to be unkickable.